Good morning, student of class 5. I am a computer teacher Shunjit sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to continue the revision of chapter number 4, Advanced Features of Word Processor 2. Okay, Advanced Features of Word Processor 2. And in this video I am going to revise the exercise question answer also. Okay. And this is the syllabus of the first term examination. I have already completed all 3 chapters, but all of you have to read each and every chapter very carefully. Okay. Please read each and every chapter very carefully for your first term examination. This is the content of this chapter, and in my previous video I already have discussed up to applying borders. Okay, and today I am going to start revision from inserting pictures. Okay, so now move on to the main topic. So first is inserting pictures. Okay, the pictures in our presentation, the pictures helps to improving presentation overall appeal of a document. Okay, the pictures helps us to improving the presentation and overall appeal in a document, and we can insert picture from our computer or from the internet. Okay, we can easily search any type of image by using the internet, and we can also insert a picture from our computer also. Okay, so when you need to insert a picture on your presentation, you have to follow some steps. Okay, so first steps is click on the picture option in the illustration group on the insert tab. Okay, first of all you need to click on the insert tab, then click on the pictures option. Okay, pictures option from illustration group. Okay, next steps is browse and select the picture file and click on the insert button. The selected picture is added to your document, and we can drag the picture to a desired position in the document. When we add a picture in the document, a new tab called format tab is added. The under ribbon pictures tool, this tab provides option applying different styles effects on pictures to make it look more attractive. Here you can see in the image. So first steps is click on the insert tab. Okay, this is the insert tab. Click on the insert tab, then this is the illustration group. Okay, this is the illustration group, and then you need to click on the picture option. When you click on the picture option, this window will be appear. Okay, this window will be appear, and here you can see there are different types of image. You need to select a picture. Okay, you need to select a picture. This picture is being selected already. Okay, then you need to press the insert button. Okay, when you press the insert button, the selected picture is added to your document. Okay, the selected pictures is added to your document. So there are very simple steps to be followed to insert a picture. First of all, click on the insert tab, then click on the pictures tab. This window will be open, and you need to select your picture as per your requirement. Okay, then click on the insert tab, insert option. Your picture will be added on your document. Okay, next is inserting word art. To inserting a word art in your document, you have to follow some steps. Okay, first steps is click on the word art option in the text group in the insert tab. Okay, so this is the insert tab. Okay, and this is the word art group. Okay, so first of all you need to click on the insert tab, then go to the text group in the insert tab. Okay, and then select the word art option. This is the word art option. Okay, after clicking the word art option, there are different types of word style available here, and you need to choose as per your um, choice or as per your requirement. Okay, so when you choose this choose choose a word style from this suggestion, then a box with the sample text, your text is here you can see your text is here, appears in the document. Then you need to replace the existing text with your own text in the box. Okay, so when you click on this option, a text box will be appear here. Okay, and you need to replace the previous text. Okay, previous text from your own text. Okay, the format tab appears when we click on the inserted word art. The format tab option has the making changes to the word art. We can use shape fill, shape outline, shape effects to make the text more attractive. Okay, so there are basic simple steps to insert word art. First of all, go to the insert tab option, then go to the text group. Okay, this is the text group option, and then you need to click on the word art option there. And after clicking the word art option, you can see there are different types of word art suggestion is here. Okay, and you can choose as per your choice. When you click on this word art option, a text box will be appear on your document. Okay, and you need to replace the existing text on your own text. Okay, next is inserting shapes. So to inserting shapes, first is click on the click on the down arrow next to the shape option in the illustration group on the insert tab. Okay, this is the insert tab, and this is the illustration group. Okay, this is the illustration group, and this is the shape option. When you click on the shape option, there are different types of shapes are available in Word 2016. Okay, so you need to select from this suggestion. Okay, from this drop down list, you need to select as per your requirement or choice. Okay, so this this shape is been selected, and here you can see. Next is you click and drag the mouse to draw the shape in your document. Okay, after selecting that shape, you need to click and drag the mouse in the shape document window. Okay, by default the fill color of the shape is blue. Here you can see this is the blue color shape. Okay, you can change the fill color, outline color, etc. of the shape using the option present in the format tab. Next is adding text inside a shape. Okay, adding text inside a shape. So we can write text inside an inserted tab step by right clicking on it and choosing add text option. Type in the required text in the shape. So this is the shapes. Okay, and you need to right click on this shape option, then you can see this option here, add text. Okay, then you need to click on the add text option, then you need to write your text. Okay, and your text gets appear on this shape. Okay, next is formatting shapes. Okay, the format tab under the drawing appears when we click on the inserted shape. The use of the different option under the format tab are outlined here. Okay, so first is the shape style option applies the preset fill color and outline color to select the shape. The display the shape style gallery, click on the more button. Okay, click on the more button. Next is number 2, the shape fill option. Fill the selected shape with a solid color, gradient, pictures or texture. And next is shape outline option. Specify the color, thickness and line style for the outline of the selected text. The shadow effects option lets us apply to shadow effects to the selected shape. Okay, shadow effects. Okay, the 3D shapes effects option lets us the 3D effect to the selected shape. Okay, this is the 3D effect. Okay, so these are the few uh, formatting features of a shape. Okay, all of you have to practice it. Okay, next is the exercise inside true false. Okay, the inside true false from this chapter. So first is we can apply borders or borders only the text, so this is false. We can apply borders from the text, page, paragraph, etc. Okay. Next is to find feature. The find feature replace the occurrence of an existing words with a new words. So this statement is also false. Okay, this statement is also false. This statement is false. Okay, this statement is false. Next is the replace features is available in the editing group of the on the home tab, so this statement is true. Next is we can replace all occurrence of the search word with the new text using the replace feature. So replace so this statement is also false. Okay, we can replace all occurrence of the search word in the new replace all features. Okay, this is the wrong. Replace all features, we use the replace all features to replace all occurrence of the selected word with the new text using the replace features. Okay, replace all features. Okay, so first is false, next is false, then true, then false. Okay, next is the exercise in question answer. First is choose the correct answer. Which of the following options are present in the illustration group on the insert tab? So shape and pictures option is present. Okay. Next is which of the following holds true in the inserting shape in a Word document? So all these statements are true. Okay, we can write text inside an inserted shape. We can change the fill color and shape of the shape. We can change the color, thickness and style of the outline shape. So this option is correct. Okay. Next is number 3, in which of the following can apply borders? So we can easily apply border text, page and paragraph also. So all of this option is the correct answer. Next is number B, fill in the blanks using the given words below. Okay, these are the words. Okay, so first is the insert tab has option for inserting pictures in word art. Okay, next is number 2, the format tab has option for changing the fill color and outline color of the selected shape. So remember, the format tab is used to the format tab has option for changing color and outline color of the selected shape. Next is the replace features can be used to change all the occurrence of existing word with a new word. Okay, so replace, number 3 is replace. Next is number 4, to insert a rectangle or a star you choose the shape option. Okay, shape option on the insert tab. Number 5, a word art features in what can be used to insert text in various style in a document. Next is exercise true false. Okay, the replace features replace only the first occurrence of the of an existing word in a new word. So this statement is true. Okay, next is the word features is used to uh, add effects to a picture. So this statement is false. After inserting a word art text, no changes can be made. This statement is also false. We can easily change the word art. Okay, next is we can add text inside the inserted shape. So this statement is true. Next is the shape fill option can change the color and style of the outline of a shape. So this statement is also true. Okay, so these are the true false from the exercise. Okay, so I hope that all of you understand today's topic. In my next video I will start revision another chapter. Okay, so till then, take care, goodbye and thank you.